we committed, I'm here with
We look forward to our
our
fellowship on the
Chair
13th.
Rapo, and our Afro,
Okay.
Why?
Merry
Merry
Christmas
Christmas.
po.
Hi,
Thank you,
Chief
thank you.
Romy.
Thank you.
Please,
Yes.
kindly convey.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
As we committed.
We assure them more for next year. So, thank you.
Pay
Thank you.
allowance from 150 to 350. It's not only been affirmed, but it's been approved and it's being signed right now. We will ratify. The bicameral report is up too. So please tell them that whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as the speaker and the house, when you speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority here. Please tell them in the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that. Ha? Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay sa inyo lahat. Okay. So that is signed here in the BICAM. It will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is his previous goal. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in some ballots to you and to the troops. Mabuhay, 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 mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th. Akinado. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yes. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them. We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you, thank you.
Really?